Hey, it's Jim again from Delano Mountain Custom Models. Excuse the noise above my head. My wife is making smoothies. So, what we got here is a trio of Athearn RTR SW1500s, Union Railroad. And I added, obviously, the Tsunami sound to them, did all LED lighting, and did the custom weathering. So, why don't we look at the lighting. The install was a little easier than I actually anticipated, which was nice. I was able to actually fit the speaker and the capacitor in under the cab detailing perfectly. And all the standard weathering stuff, all the louvers and door handles all highlighted. Sorry about that. And if anybody's not familiar with the Union Railroad, there's some small short line out in the Pittsburgh area that services steel mills. So if you look at 70s era photos, you'll see these guys. I wanted to put beacon lights on them, but I couldn't find platforms to fit on these roofs, and if you try to just adhere them right to the roof, they'll kind of angle out. They kind of look funny, so I couldn't do that. But the modern ones have beacon lights on them, and they're remote control units. But these would be more of a 70s era SW1500. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you again. Bye.